Welcome to Guitars and Bacon. My name is John. So you bought yourself a secondhand amplifier. It's got a great sounding distorted channel and it's got a pristine sounding clean channel. But there's just one thing. The seller lost the foot switch. By the way, if you want to talk about music, gear, recording, or want to see me write songs live, drop in on my live stream. I stream on Twitch every Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. That's 5 a.m. EST, and you can actually check out the link down in the description below. So I had the same issue when I bought my Randall Diablo head over there. Unfortunately, the seller actually sold off the foot switch to a different person. So I went back to Facebook Marketplace just to look for a secondhand Randall Diablo foot switch. But unfortunately, it's very hard to find one. The original foot switch actually had two latching switches on it, which is used for channel switching and for activating the boost function. Since I couldn't find one secondhand, I tried to look for a brand new one at the Laser Music Store, but they didn't have one in stock when I bought it. Now, I knew after checking out my amplifier that I actually needed a foot switch that has a 1/4-inch jack, which is a TRS, to activate both functions of the foot switch. And it should have two latching switches, and that's actually when I found the NUX NMP-2 dual foot switch. It has a switch that lets you toggle between normally open, normally closed, and latch mode. Latch is what I generally use to switch channels between my amp. So it's got two 1/4-inch jacks that you can use a TRS stereo cable to plug in through the amplifier and to the foot switch itself. Since I would like to use both foot switches for channel switching and boost activation, I would need to go with a BNA jack. Bear in mind that when using the latch or open mode and to have the LED indicators work, you would need to plug in a 9-volt PSU to it. Otherwise, it would work as a closed mode by default without any power. It's fairly light, weighing at about 295 grams, but it is built solidly with a metal case, just like your average stomp box. I've been using this a fair bit on my live streams to switch between clean channel and the distorted channel. It also helps not wear out the buttons on the amplifier itself. Would I recommend it? Absolutely! If you're in the Philippines, this is a pretty cheap solution for you if you've lost your foot switch pedal or you're looking to buy a new one. Secondhand foot switches like this actually can go for around $40, which is about 2,000 pesos, give or take. While I was able to actually get the NUX NMP for around $24, which is around 1,200 pesos. Pretty cheap, right? And considering the fact that you can actually buy a separate stereo cable to plug into it, which means you can save the trouble of buying a new foot switch once the cable wears out. It's a pretty good deal. Hope you guys like the content. Leave a comment down below if you'd like to make a suggestion on what video you'd like to see in the future. Hit like if you'd like the video. Click that subscribe button and hit that bell notification icon to be one of the first people to see new content once it's out. Oh, and one more reminder. I stream on Twitch every Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, 5 a.m. EST. That's 5 p.m. Philippine time. See ya!